What temperature range supports bacterial growth in the kitchen, and how does it affect food safety? Bacteria thrive between 4 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius, known as the danger zone. Refrigeration keeps food below 4 degrees Celsius, slowing bacterial growth. Freezing food at 0 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius stops bacterial growth, but doesn't kill bacteria. Cooking food to temperatures above 60 degrees kills harmful bacteria. What should be the temperature of the fridge and freezer? The temperature of a fridge should be kept around 3 to 4 degrees Celsius. For the freezer, it's best to maintain a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. These temperatures help keep food fresh and safe to eat. What is the temperature of danger zone? The temperature of the danger zone for food is between 4 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. What is the minimum temperature of hot food? The minimum temperature for hot food is 60 degrees Celsius or above. What is the minimum temperature of chicken? It should reach a minimum temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature of a refrigerator? The ideal temperature for a refrigerator is between 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius to maintain food safety and freshness. If we reheat, what is the temperature of the food? When reheating food, it should be heated to an internal temperature of at least 74 degrees Celsius. What tools do you use to check the temperature? Fridge thermometer, to make sure food stays cold enough. Oven thermometer, to see if the oven is the right temperature. Probe thermometer, to check liquids and cooking temperature. Infrared thermometer, to quickly check surface temperatures. At what temperature should we hold hot foods to keep them safe before serving? Hot foods should be held at a minimum internal temperature of 60 degrees Celsius or above to prevent bacterial growth. At what temperature should seafood be cooked to ensure it is safe to eat? Seafood should be cooked to an internal temperature of 63 degrees Celsius to kill harmful bacteria and ensure it is fully cooked. What temperature should be maintained when deep frying foods? Deep frying is typically done at temperatures between 175 to 190 degrees Celsius to quickly cook foods and create a crisp texture without absorbing excess oil. What temperature should be maintained when aging cheese to develop flavors and textures? Cheese is aged at controlled temperatures ranging from 7 to 16 degrees Celsius with specific humidity levels to allow beneficial mold and bacteria to develop, enhancing flavor and texture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and please like, share, and comment.